I enjoy talking and sharing detailed views on all aspects of engineering. IoT is vast. A little bit about me. I am Nikish Parikh and I work with digital engineering practice at Twitter Solutions. Driven by my passion for all things technology, I have been in this field for 25 years and I enjoy talking and sharing what I know. And like many others, you would probably Google today to find out the latest happening trends. Well, many of you will be interested in reading a book on IoT. However, when we listen to the podcast, it helps open to great speakers sharing their experiences and increase the knowledge base. These podcasts are easily accessible. You can listen to what you want and build an instant community that can come together and share thoughts and opinions. So today, let me share my experience and what better way to do it with this live podcast while you are doing your house chores, exercising or relaxing. Grab a cup of a coffee and let's begin. When things are connected with the internet, like wearables, home appliances, digital assistants, smart sensors, and other equipments, to the internet and collect the process data, you have the Internet of Things. We have come a long way. It is not just humans communicating, but things communicating with each other in this era. The primary objective of Internet of Things is to compute and analyze the generated data to drive insightful actions that optimize operations and increase productivity at an industrial, home, or any other applicable ecosystem. The industry is in midst of the technology disruptions and immovable change. It is constructively challenging organizations to make necessary changes to remain competitive globally and in a swiftly turning digital world. Though keeping up pace with the technological change, which has never been faster than today. Global report says 30 billion plus IoT devices are in operations by 2020 and adding hundreds of them every second. We call it just the beginning. We believe IoT is not just an industry in itself, but a mega macroeconomic trend which affects all industry as the products and services around us are becoming internet connected versions. Before I go further, I will ask you to think about your present day and imagine how this has been positive development of the technology in your life. Now I will be discussing and shedding more light on trends of IoT. Sensors are not new to the world, but how modern technology era integrates and processes this data defines the technology trend. Just to name a few, which are most impacting ones and globally spread are edge computing, artificial intelligence for IoT, blockchain, and network connectivity. Rather than the IoT devices sending all the information to central system for insights, this work is performed straight on the devices themselves, called edge computing, which makes devices themselves more and more self-sufficient. This is transforming the topology of IoT solutions. When you combine AI with IoT, the effectiveness of these devices increased exponentially. I must say, IoT is a digital nervous system while the AI is the brain of the system. It also powers up the edge computing to make a critical decisions for a coherent system. Blockchain technology. It is among the topmost IoT trends that address major IoT scalability and security challenges. IoT devices are very often vulnerable to security threats like denial of services or data theft. Blockchain technology is one of the most scalable systems to guarantee data safety using encryption techniques and peer-to-peer contact without intermediaries. What we are now seeing is the opportunity for banking, the financial sectors, and service system will be significantly benefited from this revolution. Connectivity is the vein of the IoT solutions. We all must have heard 5G networks are becoming a reality, enabling faster and reliable wireless connectivity to these IoT devices. In addition to this, Bluetooth 5, low-powered WAN, for example, LoRaWAN, Zigbee, Sigfox, etc., empowers IoT solutions. To end with today's session, I would like to talk about what does the future of IoT look like. Before we wrap up, let's take a peek into the future of IoT and touch upon its key benefits for the humankind. IoT devices can be used for manufacturing processes like processing, utility, vehicle, medicine, which will give predictive and active control of functions which will bring operational efficiency, resource conservation, and cost management. This will improve the overall quality of deliverables. So let me make it real and talk about the first of the two. Another transformational application of the IoT is city and transportations. Because if you think about it, human population and industrial growth are causing a plethora of challenges such as air pollution, freshwater scarcity, garbage disposal, and increased traffic and greenhouse gases. Smart connected cities, smart connected premises can address these issues effectively. Smart lighting can conserve energy and reduce carbon emission in cities and smart infrastructures like electric public transport. Smart air quality monitoring can watch the data in real time and predict accurately to allow cities to address challenges before it arises. Additionally, traffic and parking are some of the major challenges for large and growing cities. Connected and intelligent traffic management solutions can manage the traffic and signal duration flow, which can help environment multifold such as conserve fuel and reduce carbon emission. Intelligent parking solutions with connected sensors mounted into the grounds can help reduce long parking queues and unnecessary vehicle roaming. AI-based connected IoT surveillance system will help administration and law enforcement agencies to improve the effectiveness of security and safety of the individuals and will raise prompt alerts to security threats. Smart connected power grid with predictive power consumption can help power distribution and avoid power outages for residential and economy zones. This is a significant impact on human life and industrial productivity rates, which will also impact the economic growth. To end with today's podcast, undeniably, IoT adds a lot of values to health industries and addresses several challenges like telepredictive health monitoring, teleconsultations, proactive measures, telesurgeries, and boost practices and caregiver personal effectiveness. In our next podcast, we'll be looking at smart cities, healthcare, top trends in health, and the impact of the technology on where we live, work, and play. You will learn what smart cities are. Thank you for listening to our first podcast from IoT series. Your contributions to the podcast are essential. We look forward to hearing your opinions. Do drop us a comment or contact with us. Visit our website www.vitrosolutions.com to know more. Enjoy the rest of the day.